Hello everyone, today I'm sharing an omelette recipe with you. It is an Indo European omelette. For that, I have 3 shallots that I'm cutting into round shapes. Now that's done, let's put them aside. Next, I have a green and a red bird's eye chilli that I'm chopping up. Not quite 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, also known as cilantro. Let's keep these aside as well. 3 eggs beaten with salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to beat the eggs with a hand whisk because I want the eggs frothy. Just look at it, nice and frothy. Now comes a European ingredient, half a teaspoon of oregano. Let's mix this herb together with the egg mixture and get it ready for the pan. I have a pan on a low-medium flame to which I have added 2 knobs of butter. Let's spread the butter around on the pan. We'll now pour the egg mixture into the pan. Even out the egg mixture with your spatula. I'm moving the surplus egg mixture to the bottom of the pan so that the egg mixture will be cooked uniformly. And now for the Indian ingredients. The cilantro leaves, the sliced shallots, and the bird's eye chillies. Now back to the European ingredients, some sliced black olives. And some grated cheddar cheese. Can you just imagine how tasty this omelette is going to be? Now that the top has set, it's now time to fold the omelette. Press the omelette down slightly. Flip the omelette and wait for about 30 seconds. Then switch off the stove. The Indo European omelette to delight your taste buds. Let's now slice into it. The Indo European omelette, full of goodness. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.